Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some awesome XLOOKUP examples that will make your Excel life so much easier. Let's get started. Example 1, Basic XLOOKUP. First up, we have a basic XLOOKUP. We want to find the price of the item with item ID 3. Here's the formula. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, 3, comma, A2 to A11, comma, E2 to E11, close parenthesis. This formula looks for item ID 3 in the item ID column and returns the price from the price column. Easy, right? The price for item ID 3 is 200. Example 2, XLOOKUP with text criteria. Next, let's find the quantity of the standing desk. Here's how we do it. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quote, standing desk, quote, comma, B2 to B11, comma, D2 to D11, close parenthesis. This formula looks up standing desk in the item name column and returns the quantity from the quantity column. The quantity is 10. Example 3, XLOOKUP for dynamic ranges. Now, let's find the price of the item with the highest quantity. Here's the magic formula. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, max, open parenthesis, D2 to D11, close parenthesis, comma, D2 to D11, comma, E2 to E11, close parenthesis. This formula finds the maximum quantity and returns the price of the item with that quantity. The highest quantity is 25, so the price is returned. Example 4, XLOOKUP for partial matches using wildcards. What if we want to find the quantity of any item containing table? We can use a wildcard in our formula. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk, table, asterisk, quote, comma, B2 to B11, comma, D2 to D11, comma, 2, close parenthesis. This formula searches for any item name containing table and returns the quantity. The quantity for the first item with table is 5. Example 5, XLOOKUP for last occurrence. Next, let's find the last occurrence of an item in the electronics category and get its price. Here's the formula. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quote, electronics, quote, comma, C2 to C11, comma, E2 to E11, comma, 2, comma, -1, close parenthesis. This formula searches for the last electronics item and returns its price, which is 600. Example 6, XLOOKUP with small. Now, let's find the item name with the second smallest price. Check this out. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, small, open parenthesis, E2 to E11, comma, 2, close parenthesis, comma, E2 to E11, comma, B2 to B11, close parenthesis. This formula finds the second smallest price and returns the corresponding item name. The item is keyboard. Example 7, XLOOKUP with large. What about the item name with the third highest quantity? Here's how to do it. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, large, open parenthesis, D2 to D11, comma, 3, close parenthesis, comma, D2 to D11, comma, B2 to B11, close parenthesis. This formula retrieves the item name with the third highest quantity. The item is monitor. Example 8, XLOOKUP with CONCATENATE. Lastly, let's concatenate the item name and category for item ID 7. Here's the formula. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, 7, comma, A2 to A11, comma, B2 to B11, close parenthesis, ampersand, quote, space, dash, space, quote, ampersand, XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, 7, comma, A2 to A11, comma, C2 to C11, close parenthesis. This formula combines the item name and category into one text string. The result is file cabinet, furniture. And there you have it. These are just a few ways you can use XLOOKUP to make your data tasks simpler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. See you next time.